Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to reset encrypted password WhatsApp today. So it's very simple and easy process, so let's get started. What we're gonna do is closely follow these steps as I'm doing it. So what we're gonna do is open any browser of your choice. So let's do that. I'm gonna open Chrome. So let's tap on that. So here what we're gonna do is type WhatsApp support. So let's do that. So here what we're gonna do is click on the first website that pop-ups. So let's click on that. So it will redirect me to this page, and what we're gonna do is tap on contact us under the WhatsApp Messenger support option. So let's tap on that. So here what we're gonna do is fill this information like my number here. You're gonna select your country first. There are a bunch of them where WhatsApp is available. You're gonna enter your phone number. I'm not gonna do that, but if you want to solve your problem, you have to do that right here. Your email address, I'm gonna enter that, and confirm your email address as the same as above. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just showing it for you. Now here you're gonna select where you are using WhatsApp. How do you use WhatsApp? So I'm using on Android. If you're using on iPhone, you have to select iPhone. If you're using on web or desktop, you have to select that. And after that what we're gonna do is you can write as same as me. So let's write hello WhatsApp support. And after that what you're gonna do is click on next step, and it will send this message to WhatsApp support, and they will surely help you. And there you go guys, now you know how to reset encrypted password WhatsApp. So that's it for today guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.